You should be seeing my screen. Okay, so how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, great. So we want to demonstrate to people how to do distant teaching. Can you see these menus?
Yeah.
So my video is not on. To turn on my video, I will click this. So my video, you should be seeing me now. You can see me here, somewhere here. Okay?
Yes.
To end the meeting, you have the options in your own to use this as options, which will enable you to raise your hand if you want to ask me a question. So if I want to stop you to do anything, I will use this.
Yes.
If I want to share something with you, I will use this to share a content. I can share a particular file, I can share a note, I can share photographs, I can share anything.
Yeah.
So if you look at this section, can you see my mouse? This is where
Yes.
you see the list of participants. I can stop your microphone from talking. I can chat with you. I can turn this one into a chat. I would just want to chat with you alone. I will type here, hello, I'm going to start, let's just say, going to start PowerPoint presentation right now. I will enter, so you will see what I've typed.
Yeah.
You can
Hello.
see it, right?
Yes.
Let me put on my headphone.
Hello.
I'm not hearing what you are saying.
PowerPoint presentation.
Okay, let me close the door. The door is, I think your mom is disturbing me. The noise. Quickly, give me a chance. Okay, now I can actually send you the PowerPoint direct from here. Let me see whether if I can do that. Share content. I want to share a presentation with you. I will look for it. That is the presentation. I can share it with the whole group. I want us to start this presentation sharing from the beginning. Okay, now the topic for this discussion or for my lesson that I want to share with you is instructional design course for the new normal of teaching remotely. Sorry, I have to come back here. You already know me. I will present myself as your teacher, but since you know me, you know my name as your dad, Daniel O'Haren. I'm also the Dean of the School of ICT and Creative Design. When you are presenting anything to any person, don't feel, uncomfortable or you'll be jittering and so on. Don't panic. Just do it normally. If you make mistake, you go back. Okay.
Okay.
So the agenda for today is what is the new normal? What is the new teaching remotely? Infrastructure requirements. I will do a live demonstration, which means you will share a content with me. I will allow you to share a content with me. I will ask you
Yes.
some questions and you will reply. Software requirements and skills requirements. Short courses offered at NITED Polytechnic to help teachers in Namibia to bridge their course. Not only teachers, to also help learners or anyone who wants to be updated or have the necessary skills in doing new normal of teaching. Briefly, I will talk with you on what is new normal. New normal is a concept that was introduced because of COVID-19. That is, we no longer do things in the old way. We do things in a new way by teaching our learners and students remotely, just like we are doing now. We are not in the same classroom. I presume you are in your room and I am in my room. And here you will be taking all the lessons. Lessons will be served to you while you are locked in your room. Self-quarantine is involved. COVID-19 has also paralyzed the economy of nations. There is no longer face-to-face teaching. That is why you have been there, and your teacher from Windhoek High School sent you your assignment to do, and you send it back. I don't know how you people are doing it, but there's supposed to be a face-to-face meeting with your teacher like this. This is also called social distancing, and sometimes it involves wearing of mask. But we are not going to wear masks because we are in the same house. So this is like what I have presented to my own student at NITED Polytechnic to explain the concept. These are some lecturers at NITED Polytechnic. It is a face-to-face teaching without contact with anyone. Students will not have contact again with each other. Students will not have contact with their teachers. Teachers will not have contact even with their teachers, their fellow teachers or faculty members or parents or school board. But remote teaching, new normal of remote teaching is not web conferencing. It is not a learning management system. It is not old distant learning using radio or TV to teach. What is the disadvantage of using radio and TV to teach? Can you tell me one? If you watch some of those programs on TV, what are the disadvantages?
You don't get the chance to interact with a person. It's only given, and then you have to take in what's given.
Great. You don't have opportunity to interact with the teacher. You just take in, you cannot ask questions. So it is not also teaching via YouTube videos. Why? YouTube videos.
Basically.
Eh?
We're talking to each other.
Yeah. In YouTube video, you also don't have opportunity to ask the teacher anything. It's no different from TV teaching. So you don't have opportunity to interact with the teacher. So this is the new normal of teaching. I want to move to the next slide. It's a bit stuck here. I'm looking for the arrow. So in essence, it is also called online class collaborations. So you can collaborate with your classmates. You can still do assignments with your classmates, because if your school have the infrastructure, they will create rooms for different groups to meet like this, just like you and your dad is meeting online. So learners can participate and ask questions. Learners are called upon to become presenter. I can make you to present something and write or draw or answer questions and so on. So that makes it interactive. Apart from you asking me questions, you are able to also present. So the day's class, assuming at the end of the day, all what we have done, we can now save them and archive them in what is called Learning Management System, LMS, or Blackboard. In our case, we call it Katra. So students can still go in and have access to what we have presented today.
Yes.
So this is what is referred to as a new normal. Now I'm going to give you opportunity to present anything you have, but first of all, let's quickly look at the infrastructure requirement. If we talk about infrastructure, do you know what I mean?
Yes.
What is it?
Built-in systems that will be needed in order to make it possible for us to learn remotely.
I hope you are not reading my notes on the board. Yeah, what is the infrastructure requirement means those things, equipment necessary, for it to be possible for us to learn remotely. In this thing you are seeing here, it requires to have what we refer to as a whiteboard. Your teacher will have a whiteboard in his class and a laptop. The laptop itself and the whiteboard, they are one and the same thing. He can stand up and solve a problem, draw or write on this whiteboard. He can as well write it on his laptop. but he's alone. He's alone in the class because of what? Distancing, remote teaching. The students are no longer there. The students are at home. So teacher will still come to school, but now work alone with his or her computer and digital board for teaching his remote learners. It is unthinkable some months back that a teacher will come to class and will be alone and will not see his or her student. What do you think this would be the impact on this teacher, on your teacher, not seeing you?
I don't know.
You know, he will be lonely. You know, the teacher also loves you. The teacher will miss
Yeah,
you. Huh?
yeah,
The teacher will be feeling lonely and sometimes he will miss a lot of your
yes,
or your classmates. So these are the social impact of it. But here is a learner like you are in your room. So your teacher
yeah,
will serve you all your lesson, will teach you normally, just like we are teaching you. You don't miss anything in that teaching process because you will be able to explain everything and you will see it like you are seeing this. So learners
yeah,
are connected to classroom with desktop or laptop or tab or smartphones. You have earphones, you have all the gadgets you want to use, microphones and so on. So what are you using in your room? What are you using to access?
using my tab.
You are using your tab. Your dad's tab, you captured it, isn't it? It's like
Yeah,
I no longer have access to the tab, so it's a tab captured tab, you know. Okay, that is that. That is the hardware requirement. And what is the negative impact, or what do you think will be the impact? Is it possible to use cell phones?
not really, because the screen won't be wide enough, and for learners to draw on the cell phones will be quite difficult.
Yes, the cell phone is okay, but it is too small. Learners will not be able to use it to write or draw or answer, sorry, or yeah, or present their own stuff. Okay, let's do a live demonstration now. It's your turn to show me what you are doing.
Okay,
First of all,
okay.
you know, I can annotate. Really, let me see that one. Can you see this? Can you see my screen? No.
Yes, I can see the arrow.
You can see only the arrow.
Oh, and also what's written, live demonstration.
You can see live demonstration, but what of this menu, the side menu?
I can see it.
You can't see the side menu, but on my side, I see the side menu. Maybe after the recording, you will see. So let's see. The side menu
Yeah.
itself enables me to have pointers to draw.
Okay.
I can also write. I am doing a live demo with my son. Okay, on the same spreadsheet, sorry, on the same PowerPoint we were presenting. It's interesting, right?
Yeah,
So
it
if
is.
you don't like anything, you can stop your teacher and say, hey, teacher, stop. What you have just
Yeah,
done,
and I
I
can
don't
also
like
highlight
it. Eh?
and ask questions. I'm saying, and I can also highlight and ask
Yeah, you can
questions.
also highlight. You
Yeah.
can also draw a straight arrow. And at the same time, you can clear. After the demonstration, I can clear. I will clear all my annotations. So now it's your turn. I want you to present your screen for me and share with me what you have been receiving, an example of what you have been receiving from your teacher, and what type of homework and how you did it and so on.
Okay. Let me share the content. Okay. So, can you see the work that I got from my teacher?
Yes, I can see it. It's on the topic is on. Let me see. The starting point seems you are moving a bit too fast. Design and technology worksheet, grade
Yeah.
12A. Okay, yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Great. So have you done it?
Yeah. It's actually the answer sheet.
This is the answer sheet. Okay. Can I write on it? Let me see. Wait a moment. Let me see whether if I can correct it or just mark.
Okay.
Request to annotate, yes.
Okay, I get the option to approve or decline, so I'll approve.
Okay, approve. So, which means I can mark your sheet from here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Good. Then I can score you. I don't know what you wrote there because I'm not a design technologies person. Your teacher expects me to teach you. Me, I don't. I don't know. I'm not so knowledgeable in design technology. You are more knowledgeable than me, than your dad. So what should I score? As me, I'm marking. I will just say 12 over 100. Though that is too small. 12 over 20 or 15 or 12 over 12.
Yeah.
You want me to give you 12
Yeah.
over 12?
Yes.
Now, I think you have zoomed out or you have zoomed in that place. I don't know. I can't see it again. Let me see. Anyway, what is important is that we need to learn it in order
Yeah.
to be 12 over 12 over 12. That is good work. So, can you scroll down again? Let's scroll down. So, what we are trying to say is that your teacher can work on your sheet while you present your sheet to him or her, isn't it?
Yeah. And I can also have the option of saving it or not.
Yeah, you
Save
can
it.
you
Like
have
I
the
can.
option of saving it. Okay, right? You can save it if you want to, and so on.
Yeah.
Good. This is what is referred to as distant learning, which means, or new normal teaching, which means there is a dialogue between you and your teacher. I can't see your photograph again. I can't see your video. What happens to it? You have to go out. Okay, you can stop sharing after you save the document.
Yeah. Stop sharing.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm like,
Now you stop sharing.
yeah.
Now I want to see your photo. I want to see your image. Good. So that is how to do new normal. I want to see. Stop sharing your screen too. Did you stop sharing your screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what we mean by teaching remotely, the new normal of teaching remotely. Software requirement. What skills do you think you need? Not skill, yeah. What software you will need? You will need a classroom meeting software, WebEx. We are using WebEx. Your mom is disturbing you. So you must now put a note on your door. Do not disturb. Dad, mom, I'm in the class. Please, dad, mom, I'm in the class. Don't disturb. So, okay, you will have a classroom meeting software. We are using WebEx. You will need to have a software, Microsoft software. You already have some on your tab, PowerPoint,
Yes.
Word, Excel, Paint, and so on. But the problem is that you don't know how to use all of this software.
Yes.
You are
Only.
just doing it by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Did they teach you Microsoft, PowerPoint, Word, and so on? Did you take any computer class?
No, I didn't take computer studies.
You didn't take computer study. How come you're able to use computers? How come you're able to use cell phones and my tab and so on? So
Just trial and error and YouTube.
try and error and YouTube. Okay, which means your generation can easily adapt, can easily learn fast, learn the so-called ICT. So the student will also know Windows or any other operating system. You don't know what is operating system, you are just using the software. So you need to have sense or common understanding. Also, how to, I think I have jumped. Let me go back. Video production and editing software. You will also need
Yeah.
learning management system software. We have modules here. Online course publishing platform like Katra, Udemy, Coursera. This may be too advanced for you, but these are for your teachers. Your teachers need to have all of this software, which I have listed here, and be able to use them. We also have my favorite, Katra. So they should be able to have those skills. And you as a student too, you should be able to have some of these skills. We hope your dad will be teaching you, if possible, if I have the time. You want to learn all of them. So the
Yes.
basic,
Most relevant.
You want to learn most of them. Okay. So the basic immediate skills for teachers and learners include basic ICT skills, understanding e-learning hardware, Windows operating system, how to use the classroom meeting software. This software we are using now to host meeting, Microsoft Office software, communication skill, video production and editing software, and so on. So a teacher should be able to master all of those ones. So as needed, we are planning to run these courses for teachers. These are the courses we are planning to run for your teachers so that your teachers are able to deliver their lessons online. We are not going to teach them how to make lesson plan or how to teach their course, but we'll teach them how to present their course, how to do teaching remotely, or how to adjust to the new normal of teaching remotely. So this is the end of my presentation. Do you have any question you want to ask?
No.
No, you just absorb it
Everything.
quickly. Okay, I will ask you a question. When we talk about software, what do we mean by software?
You mean the system put in place, for example, like WebEx that allows us to call and chat, or Microsoft that allows us to type
Okay, good.
and to display our work.
So, but for now, you don't have computer skills, and you are going to finish. You are in grade 12. You are going
Yes.
to study next. You are going to the university if COVID allows. If COVID doesn't allow, you have to study You have to study from home. You have to do your university study from home. It's called distance learning. It's possible.
Yeah.
I did my masters from home, from UNISA. People, yeah.
Oh. I didn't know.
People are studying from home. Even people are studying their first degree from home. Now your dad have what is it? Good internet connections. You have your tab and so on. Your school will give you access to your online lessons. I mean, what do you want to study at the university?
Architecture.
Architecture. Okay. So you have to be very good in design technology. Great. So since we don't have any other questions, we are going to end the lesson. It's just an example. We will send it to our friends to watch. We will send it to your school, and we will send it to Indila in South Africa and Emma in US. So do you have anything to say to them?
I miss you all.
You miss
My
Indila?
teachers.
Okay. And what about your teacher?
I miss my teachers as well.
And your school friends?
I miss them as well.
Do you have any picture you want to share? That picture you shared yesterday.
Oh, okay, I'll have to go to my gallery.
Yeah, go to your gallery. I will wait. Just take your time. Don't worry. Look for it.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay, this is you in the front for your mates in Windhoek High. Where is John? I can't see John. I don't seem to see John here.
Sure.
Your John is not here. Okay, anyway, bye. We are going to stop the lesson. Thank you for sharing your classmate's picture with me, with your dad at home. It's just a way of our saying this is how to do learning remotely. I will stop the recording.